Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And yes, it is hump day and I got an awesome freebie for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store that has my stamp of approval on it. So make sure you download ASAP before free becomes paid very quickly. Now, the name of this watch face is called Project Red 9. It's an awesome dress up and or dress down watch face. In the AOD mode, it looks super slick with this black background and these red hands, which really comes together, and black and red goes together like a shoe and sock. But when the watch face is on, I love the look of this watch face. I love the look of the dial. The index looks awesome, blends in with that awesome theme that's going on in the background. Now the dials are very unique. Haven't seen nothing like this before. I'm surprised this one isn't paid. Now up at the top, you are going to get your digital time. You're going to get an AM stamp, and you're also going to get animated seconds. Now this will from time to time flip-flop, and you will be able to get your floors climbed information in the right dial. You're going to get the day of the week. You're going to also get your date. You're going to also get your battery percentage as well. You come down, you're going to get your heart rate. To the left dial, you're going to get your step information. Also at the bottom of that is going to give you information on your goal completed. I thought that was super awesome for a watch face. Haven't seen nothing quite like this one. I like it though, and it is interactive. So if I tap on each dial, I can go into settings. Of course, I can go into my calendar, set an event. I want to get my heart rate information and also my step status info, calories burned, floors climbed, things of that nature, stress. And if I double tap right here, I can change the theme of the watch face to a couple of different themes and all. But all in all, this is an awesome watch face, people. What do you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you're going to download it or if you're going to leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.